Hey guys, so it's Tameside Handyman here. I thought I'd do this short video just to help you understand the workings of a toilet cistern, because every time I get an inquiry people are unsure what it is that's at fault. Now, generally speaking, this is a standard type toilet cistern, so we're looking inside the toilet at the moment. Okay, I've taken the lid off. It's the push button side. Alright, now yours may look slightly different depending on the make, the age, and so on and so forth, but or you might even have a handle on it on the outside, but generally speaking they all work in the same fashion. Now we have a couple of components in here. This is the fill mechanism and this is the flush mechanism. This is the overflow, and the overflow in this instance goes into the toilet bowl. So rather than going outside, which some of the older ones did, it fills up, it goes over there, it goes into the pan. Now, if you find that you've got water constantly running into the toilet bowl, which is there, I won't open it because we don't need to see inside the toilet bowl, you get constant dripping, or in some circumstances it will continue to flow for some time. Now the reason behind this is the fault is not with this, the fault is with this, which is your fill mechanism. So that's your fill mechanism. And what happens is the seal generally, I hope you can see that, the seal generally goes and this continues to run. So if you see it, there we go, see how it's filling up, and we'll stop that now. See how this water level rises, it goes over here and goes down there. So that causes constant water to run into your toilet bowl. So that means you need a new fill mechanism. Okay. Now, if your toilet won't flush for whatever reason, or you've got some other issues with the flush, then you need a flush mechanism, which is one of these. So now I've identified a simple problem. The resolution is also simple. You get onto my website, go to my booking page, and I have a fixed price for supply and fit for one of these. I also have a supply and fit price for one of these, and I also have a supply and fit for the pair together. If you've got any questions or queries, just get back to me, tamesidehandyman.com or handyman@tameside.com.